Introducing the Advanced Witness Series, a WS-5050 Intellect torque tester, a revolutionary instrument designed to redefine torque measurement and testing. With its cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features, the WS-5050 is the ultimate tool for calibration, assembly, and tool room professionals. Featuring a bidirectional accuracy of 0.25% of the indicated reading when used with WS transducers, the WS-5050 delivers highly precise and reliable torque measurements. Its single-step access to all functions simplifies operation, enhancing productivity and minimizing training time. The WS-5050 supports plug-and-play auto-recognition of up to 7 transducers, providing versatility and convenience in your testing applications. It also offers 8 engineering units of measurement, including Oz, in, LB, in, LB, FT, Newton meters, CNM, KGFCM, GFCM, and KGFM, allowing you to select the most suitable unit for your specific needs. With a memory capacity of 999 data points, the WS-5050 enables you to store and recall valuable torque data for analysis and quality control purposes. Its torque range of 50-500 lb in and drive size of 3/8-inch SQ make it suitable for a wide range of applications. Powered by NIM rechargeable batteries, the WS-5050 provides 8-10 hours of continuous use, ensuring portability and reliability in any environment. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Advanced Witness Series WS-5050 Intellect torque tester. Its exceptional accuracy, versatility, and user-friendly features make it an indispensable tool for professionals seeking precise and reliable torque measurements. Invest in the WS-5050 and experience the future of torque testing.